Today's a really exciting day. We're going to share with you a very special unboxing of our next generation TPMS tool, the ITS600. Our teams of engineers have worked tirelessly to deliver this product, and we're so proud of the results. We can't wait to share it with you. As you've come to expect with Autel, we always strive to offer the newest, industry-first technologies to benefit you in the service bay. We focus on quality, reliability, and innovations that help get the car repaired the first time, every time. So let's get started. As with many of our other products, the ITS600 ships in a rugged case that protects it from drops, spills, and impact damage. There's some information on the outer sleeve related to the features and compatibility, which we'll talk about more in a minute. So this is it. The world's thinnest and most portable tablet-sized TPMS and service tool. It's not just all about form factor though. It features a 5.5-inch high-definition touchscreen display, a 5,000 milliamp hour battery for extended use, as well as Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capability to make updating easier. Included with the ITS600 is our MaxiVCI200 wireless dongle that connects to the vehicle's OBD2 port for faster relearns and module communication for diagnostics. When it comes to TPMS sensor replacement, the tool is designed for Autel's MX Sensor 1 sensor, which offers superior coverage and reliability. The ITS600 has all the TPMS capability that you've come to love from our TS508, plus some new features that truly set Autel apart. With our optical scanning technology, we can automatically recognize and populate the vehicle's year, make, and model using the VIN beneath the windshield or on the driver's door placard sticker. Technicians will have access to 4 of the most commonly used vehicle service functions: electronic parking brake caliper retraction, oil light reset, battery registration, and steering angle sensor calibration. Annual update subscriptions for TPMS, as well as these 4 service functions, are free for the life of the tool. We never ask you to reinvest in this product once it's in your shop. We're currently finalizing software integration for another world first in a TPMS tool: onboard DOT tire registration to prioritize the safety of our customers as well as the integrity of the service we provide motorists. If you need additional diagnostic capability and service functions, the tool can be upgraded through software to the ITS600 Pro, which will add approximately 20 service functions, as well as the ability to read and clear codes, view code descriptions, and live data parameter IDs from all vehicle modules. Whichever version of the ITS600 you choose, it can be paired with Autel's TBE200 laser tire tread depth examiner. With the combined abilities of these 2 tools, we can provide the most comprehensive TPMS and tire health reports known to the industry. Look for more information on Autel's laser examiner tools as it becomes available. Our hope is, at release, everyone who wants an ITS600 can purchase one. As we've seen with recent Autel releases, demand is likely to exceed supply. So contact your local dealer and order yours now. Thanks for watching.